Hey everyone, hope all of you are doing well. In this episode, I'm going to cover how we can automate our social media posts upload. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use N8N using an already configured template flow, and I'm going to focus specifically on X. I'm going to show how we can scrape the web for data, how we can make this data into a story, and how we can upload it into X. So stay tuned and let's get to it. Okay, so in order to get this flow running, I need to set up N8N on my local. As you can see, I'm running it on localhost. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to open it in an IDE, which in my case is Visual Studio Code. And I'm going to run the Docker of N8N. After I finish doing so, I can open it. I suggest working with Cloud Code. It will make everything easier and will make the setting up real quick. So I have the workflow running right now. The way I imported it is by clicking here, clicking on import from file, and then taking the JSON of this. I'm gonna put it in the description of this video. This is a pre-configured, pre-created flow template. We can use it for free by copying the JSON, saving it as a new JSON file, and then uploading it to our local instance of N8N. Once I did that, I can go here and I can configure my SERP API key. If I'm not mistaken, we have around 250 searches per month for free with the API. I didn't buy the premium version here. Regarding OpenAI, we need to configure the credentials, the API credentials, set them up here as well. And same goes for Perplexity. If you do not have Perplexity Pro, I suggest go ahead and do it now. You have a free version using, if you sign up using PayPal, you get a subscription for free for 1 year, and then you can cancel it. So besides ChatGPT, all of the tools here are for free. Regarding Twitter, the reason why I'm automating Twitter is because I feel there is a huge potential there to get followers, to get traffic, to spread ideas better than LinkedIn and Facebook in that aspect. LinkedIn is better for outreach, for getting people to partner up with you and other cool things that you can do. But for me, if I'm talking about pure automation task, I would love to try it on X, and that's exactly what I'm doing here and showing you guys. So in order to set up X, we need to go to X developer account and set up a client secret and client ID. Those are pretty easy. I'm not going to show how to do it. So once we configure all of those, we're ready to go. The way we can configure this specific flow is by opening and just checking what exactly are we fetching here. So we are going to Google Trends. Here we're searching for high volume keywords from the Google Trends. And then here we're actually creating the assignment. You are part of a team that creates world-class blog posts. Your job is to choose the topic for each post. And here we're picking up the subject. This prompt, I'm going to change it later on, but it's not bad for the initial kind of test run. Here in Perplexity, we can see it's using Sonar Pro. And it basically sends it into a research task, where Perplexity goes and gives us more information regarding the topic we would like to post about. After that, we go into weight split nodes, pretty straightforward. And from there, we go to X, we do an API call, and we create the post. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to execute the workflow, and we're going to see it run. So we got an error. Now we need to set up the Perplexity API. I already have it here. I'm going to save it now. I'm guessing this should fix the issue. Again, we're getting another tweet creation, and here we need to drag and drop this. Forgot doing it before. Saving the workflow. So as you can see, my last post is 2 hours ago. Once this finishes running, cool, it's done. The error here is not really relevant. It's just for outputting the data into a Google Sheet. I don't need it for now. Let's refresh. And we got a new blog post. Sorry, a new tweet. So this looks kind of shitty. I'm going to delete it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to adjust this prompt. And I'm also going to adjust the Perplexity prompt. The important thing here is that we have a working skeleton that allows us to research topics, fetch them from the web, use Perplexity for some deep research and deep crawling, and then later on upload it. In the same way I uploaded to X, we can also connect the LinkedIn and the Facebook nodes and upload it to those social media sites as well. This is super powerful for people who want to distribute at scale and they want to have whichever account it is, if it's your e-commerce business or your private brand, doesn't matter. Volume is key, and most social media platforms reward you for volume. We need to be careful here not to create AI slop, just like what you saw here. You need to make the prompt better. You need to make sure that the output looks real, looks human, doesn't look like something that was generated in 2 minutes. But I would say getting the infrastructure ready, it's a crucial part of the process, and it can really help you boost your social media presence. So I hope this kind of flow / demonstration helped you guys. I'm going to put the URL to this specific workflow in the YouTube description. And yeah, subscribe and say hello in my DMs. Cheers. Bye.